salt spray will change your life. It will also add volume and texture and amazingness to your hair. Now, I have not always been a believer in sea salt. I used to hear about it like, oh, use sea salt as a pre-style. And I've been like, yeah, whatever. And then I tried it, right? A few spritzes and bang, my hair looked incredible. I was hooked and it literally changed my hair's life. And so, of course, I'm like, yo, if I'm going to develop a sea salt spray, it needs to be the best. If you want to take your hairstyle to the next level, you gotta try a sea salt spray. The way that I use it, after the shower, I towel dry my hair pretty well. Then I get the sea salt spray, give myself about 4 to 6 squirts, right? Get it in there, shake it around, and then I apply my product on top. Most days, I'll then use a hair dryer, blow my hair into place, and then add a little more product on top just to give it a little more hold. Sea salt spray is also amazing for dealing with bedhead, right? First thing in the morning, right? You want to shower at night, you go to bed in the morning, you're like, yo, I'm running out, I don't want to shower again. Get your sea salt spray, 6 to 8 squirts all over, get it in, right? And then apply your product. Sea salt spray is an amazing addition to any hairstyle. Look at that. Soft, luscious, amazing volume. And that's the thing. If you're somebody who is sick and tired of his hair always falling down and not ever giving it like the life that you feel that it should, try sea salt, a pre-styler. Before you style, you apply, aka pre-styler. It's going to change, like I said, your life and your hair.